Hey ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? My name is Abdi Phenomenal from Poet Nation. As you can tell, I'm far away from home. Right now, I'm in a beautiful place. I'm in Nairobi, Kenya. And as you know, we've been working on, there's a project we're working on called The Voices of Dadaab. And we're gonna be over here for a couple of days. I haven't been to Dadaab for over 20 years, like 20 years right now. I used to be there when I was younger. I was there for 5 years. And as you know right now, there's a famine that's going on that hit home to a lot of people. And as you know, Somali's been going through a lot of different things. And this is an issue that we definitely need to tackle. And me being there, when I was younger, I would definitely like to go back. And this project is basically going to be focused on putting basically a human face to, you know, the famine, and kind of getting the stories of these people, bringing it back home, and showing people that they're humans just like everybody else. You know, they just happen to be in a different circumstance, different situation. So we definitely need to go out and help as much as we can. And what we hope to do with the documentary, The Voices of Dadaab, is hopefully when we come back to the United States, we want to be able to show that in a documentary form. Maybe give updates on our website, The Poet Nation, and basically make it go worldwide and tell the whole world that we cannot keep going like this. The famine has to end as soon as possible.